Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and we're gonna see of course SPX with it. So basically what we are looking at today in this Monday is of course a lot of red. We see of course a signal here of a potential 1.23. Don't forget that this scenario already given W and X in between, of course, of another zigzag in a wave Y, meaning W, X, and a Y in a wave B here. You might be in an expanding flat A, B, and a C toward the downside. So, of course, this scenario was in high possibility, and that because we start to see retracement impulsively toward the downside from the 1.23 here, taken from the wave A to the wave B, giving us, of course, a potential target, a 1.38 here that we might reach, of course, or must come in 1.618, 22K, 266, of course, for a wave C, A, B, and a C expanding flat. And then, of course, we might proceed with something else. I'm gonna explain this in the live stream, of course, what it can be. This is a quick update for now. But basically what is going on here, it might be, of course, a several 1-2s as a first scenario, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, to drop, of course, to this area. Or you are in a big leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, one of these scenarios might be unfolding right now, and yes, we might of course drop down for the Nasdaq here. And honestly, this is what it was expected, guys. I mean, this whole move towards the upside was kind of a reversal for the market, which is not in its place, I would say, because the count has finished perfectly there. So we don't understand why it has made this reversal, and it has confused many of us, and even a lot of other things. It has affected the gold, it has affected the crypto market. So therefore, this when the things doesn't become healthy. This is what we might get. Okay, at the end, you get a complex structure, which means, of course, it is very confusing, very hesitant, and of course, you might start to see a drop toward the downside. Yeah, so basically, I'm looking for this target now. Currently, you see this blue box, which is a testing, because during our move toward the downside, we're gonna test every single reversal, right? So in case here you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say this is an impulse and that you have several 1-2s, which is very, very low possibility here, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 again. Well, we're testing this, which is very low possibility already because of those 4 1-2s. I believe that this can be something else, right? It can be here a diagonal unfolding and then having wave 2, even if you move up. Yeah, it might be a wave 2 and then moving down toward the downside. So I'm gonna put here the diagonal shape to not forget it. So this is a possibility here, guys, as diagonal wave 1. All right. If this is a wave 4 here, already invalidated. Okay, so invalidation of bullish, meaning if we are in a 1, 2, 3 wave 4, took the zone 1, meaning this scenario is out. Right, it is out. We don't see, of course, any of it anymore, and we might, of course, drop simply down. Yep. So we're gonna see the reaction. I believe it can be, of course, there is a reaction that is gonna happen. It's not gonna drop directly down. It's gonna have. Be careful. Wave 2 is very shallow. Yeah? When having a leading diagonal, the wave 2 becomes shallow in time, even in fib level, and then moving directly towards the downside. So be careful. I'm expecting an aggressive one because the aggressive wave A already given. Yeah? So A, B here as a W, X, and a Y, and wave C might be as well very, very aggressive. So we have to be careful with it. Yep, that was it for Nasdaq. Let's move for the SPX. The SPX or US 500 is showing also the same here. Now we said, okay, be careful. If you take the wave 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it's done, it's finished. So here we go. We have finished it, but I believe here you finish it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, very short, right? It didn't took the high or the fib levels that we were looking for. And at the same time, here you have finished an A, B, C, or W, X, and a Y. Yeah, or I would call it better, yeah, A, B, C. This one ABC, meaning in a W, X, and a Y, meaning you finished a wave B here, and this one, this wave 3 is there. This is your wave 4, and your wave 5 is finished here as kind of an ending diagonal, of course, and you drop down impulsively from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so yeah, I think that this has already reached it has already reached the 886, so there is no reason to test this area anymore. It's already given the answer. We drop down, we take the low, and we drop down. Now, okay, what if that we are in a bigger 1, 2, 3 and a bigger wave 4? Well, okay, the next testing area is 6,400. So just to test it, guys. However, the targets here are for this wave C in an expanding flat as A, B, and a C expanding flat. We're looking for this target in a wave C there. In the blue box between the 6,123, 6,176. During this move toward the downside, we're going to test any reversal, right? Meaning, if you are in a wave 4 here, before catching this area 6,400, if we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 ways down, continuation toward the upside, we gotta be careful, of course, of a reversal, because it might be here a wave 4 getting extended again and the wave 5 getting up. Yeah. So we have to be very careful with it. Currently, you have finished ABC here as a zigzag. You already have another zigzag. You have the X, W, X, and a Y. You finish here 3 waves for wave A. You finish the wave B. You move impulsively for wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yep, that was it for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next live stream. Bye-bye.